Have you noticed that even when nothing is wrong, your mind still feels restless? You try to relax, but thoughts keep running. This is not a personal failure, it is how the brain adapts to modern stimulation. And understanding this changes how you approach calm completely. Human nervous system evolved for survival, not constant comfort. For thousands of years, the brain stayed alert to detect danger. But today, danger has changed. Notifications, noise, information, and constant scrolling keep the brain in a mild stress response. This activates the sympathetic nervous system, the system responsible for alertness and action. When system stays active for too long, calm starts feeling unfamiliar. That is why silence feels uncomfortable. When the brain receives continuous stimulation, dopamine levels fluctuate rapidly. Dopamine is not pleasure, it is anticipation. Your brain keeps expecting the next input. When stimulation stops, the nervous system does not immediately relax. Instead, thoughts increase. This is the brain releasing stored mental activity. Biologically, nothing is wrong. The system is simply slowing down. Ancient yoga practices focused heavily on breath regulation. Slow breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, often called the rest and digest state. Research shows that slow exhalation reduces heart rate and cortisol levels. This is why practices like pranayama and meditation feel calming over time. Not because they remove thoughts, but because they signal safety to the body. Calm begins in physiology, not in thinking. What many traditions call peace is actually nervous system regulation. When the body feels safe, the mind stops searching for problems. Stillness is not something you force, it appears when the system no longer feels threatened. Understanding this removes frustration from the process. Your mind is not broken, it is adapting. If this helped you understand your mind better, subscribe for science backed spirituality and psychology.